Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to put pet to sleep in Widgetable. Let's start by opening the Widgetable app on your device. Then go to your pets by tapping the pets button on the screen. Now choose what pet do you want to put to sleep. For now, let's pick Dockle. The only way for you to put this pet to sleep is when they are feeling tired. So when they say that they are tired and want to sleep, then simply put them to sleep by tapping the sleep button when there is one. But for now, it says here that the pet is hungry, so you just need to feed it on what food they want. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.